Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Thursday. Today is June the 18th. We're out here in a city called Grovetown. Grovetown, a little bit outside of Augusta, so we're not in Augusta. Before you get to Augusta, straight up 20. So anyway, guys, this is a property engineered floor. Only option besides our screen and recoat and color correction would be replacing this floor because it cannot be sanded. So I just met with the property manager. Let me show you guys what we got going today. All right, guys, so we are in a town called Grovetown, again, right outside of Augusta. And we got some engineered floors, man, that are in need of some TLC. Got a little veneer breakage right there. Whoever laid here, guys, this is why I could not do rentals. I mean, look at this right here, guys. The dog that all needs to be replaced. But we got color correction right here. It's about 1,400 square feet. I'm going to screen it down really good. Not too bad. We got some missing color over here, all over here. Okay. Here, here, and look at this right here, guys. Here, all through here, all through here. All right, guys, go ahead and get started. Start screening this floor down. Then we want to follow up with a cleaning, color correction, and make this floor look good again, and also these countertops. All right, stay tuned.
1, 2, 3, 4. There go Truman through the door. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, UV cat, he wants some more. Truman outside, Truman outside. Keep that wood floor up outside. Get it right. Truman outside all night. Walking clean, walk out shining. Whole floor glowing, perfect timing. Screen and recoat, that's the mission. One day service, no competition. Yeah. Clients say, how you do that? Truman say, watch me prove that. Move the furniture back tonight. Kids and pets back living right. Whoa. 1, 2, 3, 4. There go Truman through the door. Watching, floor so fresh, they stop and stare. Whole room floating like it's in the air. Get it, let's go. Satin finish with the clean glow. Truman outside, that's the slogan. Every floor leave looking good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Truman done did it once more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next job waiting at the door. Truman outside. Truman outside. One day, recoat worldwide. UV cured and certified. Truman outside.
All right, guys, we're about done doing a few touch-ups. I must say this floor looks so much better. In my contract, I always say a 50 to an 80% improvement, and this is definitely 85%. We did a color correction. As you can see, those areas that was really worn right there, up in here. Also, we did the granite countertops. They look so much better. Who was running this house, man? I will say they were not a good tenant because, man, just other stuff that we're not doing around the chimney. I mean, the dog just tore the house up. Now I see why some people say no pets. Tavares said, "Who the hell in here, Cujo?" All right, guys, floors are looking amazing. My client Jacob just doing a quick walkthrough. Again, countertops, floors. Who?
It's one Frenchie.
Yeah, man, that's crazy. Dude, I know they ain't getting their deposit back. That's crazy. All right, guys, that's going to do it. See you in the next one.